Here's my new iPhone that came today. It's the new iPhone 16 Plus. Woo! In pretty pink. Almost Barbie pink. I think it's really pretty. Look, even these are pink. 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 Alright, let's open it up. It has these little tabs at the bottom. Ta-da. One. Two. Oh, this is nice. Look how pretty it is. Ooh, look how pretty it is. I like the darker pink in here. Oh, I think this is really sharp. There it is. And we have a new ice cream saver. I don't know how to put these on. My son will. So, let's see if it goes on. Sorry, technical difficulties. Need to figure out how to turn it on. Aha, here we go. Oh, I think this looks really sharp. Pink is really pink. It's really pretty. Say hello.